express your feeling, man.
Bruce Lee.
What are you doing with your hand?
He's using the force. Shame on me, okay?
Shame on you, man. Shame on you.
Come on, say
Hey,
something.
look at that. Okay, I admit, for the 4th or 5th time in a row, he beat me. But I never give up, so another.
Okay, come on, man. Just one more, man.
Die for Mexico, man.
Come on, come on.
Again?
He just came back from army, man. He was on the air flight,
No.
fighting with the people, Americans.
Americans.
Gringos.
This time, it will not take long, man. Just 5 seconds.
Whoa, are you sure about it?
Qué pesado este cabrón.
Let's look at me. I got a power in here.
Un, dos,
5 seconds. Okay?
Man.
un, dos, trois.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh man, 5 seconds, man.
man.
5 seconds.
Okay. Peaceful to the world, man.
Too bad for Mexico, man. Man, you know,
Shit happens.
Mexican people will be ashamed on you, man. I'm sure if Mexican people see this video, wait, who is that, man?
He's not fucking Mexican.
He's
You'll
from
be on
Mexico.
YouTube. It's a shame on YouTube, man.
I'm from Pakistan. I'm not Mexican.
Mexican.
I'm not Mexican. I just like the colors, but I'm not. I'm not.
Are you sure about it?
I'm sure I'm not from Mexico.
Can you see my turban?
Can you see my dot? I'm talking to you. See, look at my dot when I'm talking to you.
Thank you for everything.
Okay, cut.
Thank you, thank you.
Ala.
Robert.
Robert.
What's